10th class. Total English. Subject verb agreement. 15 questions. Answers and explanations.
Total 10th class. Total English. Subject verb agreement. Question number 1. Neither of the two students dash present. Neither of the two students here. If there is given neither, either, each, everyone, and many a, then it must be followed by a verb in the singular. For example, either of the two candidates is suitable for the post. Neither of the two candidates is suitable for the post. Each of the boy was awarded. Every one of the hotels is full. Many a man does not know. So either, neither, each, everyone, many a must be followed by a verb in the singular. So this is your was. Neither is given, so this is your was. Neither of the two students was present. Second one, the manager and director dash appointed him. Manager and director are same person. Manager and director same person. So this is singular has. The manager and director has appointed him. If it is given the manager and the director, then this will be different person and answer will be have. When two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing, singular verb is used. For example, the dancer and singer is dead. Here, and singer is given, and the singer is not given. So, this is dancer and singer same person. When two singular nouns refer to two distinct persons, plural verb is used. For example, the director and the actor have just entered the hall. Here verb is given have because the director and the actor given, so director and actor two persons. Here the given, so this is two persons. Here the is not given, so dancer and singer same person. If same person, singular verb is used, different person, plural verb is used. Many a worker dash injured. Many a worker. Many a is singular. It agrees with singular was. If many is given, neither, either, each is given, then this is singular. Many a worker was. One of the players. One of the. This is also singular. One of the follows singular verb. This is was. Either. Either Mira or her friends. Either or. If either or is given, it will agree with the second subject, that is friends. Friends is plural, so this is your are. Either or, neither nor agrees with the second subject. So this is your friends is plural, so are. None. None is your singular. Subject of different persons joined by or nor, either or, neither nor, agrees in person with the nearest to it. For example, either he or I. Here I is given, nearest is I, so verb is am. Neither he nor you are. Here you is the nearest, so verb is are. It agrees with the second subject. Okay. Neither nor, either or agrees with the second subject nearest to it, that is I given, so this is your am, you given, so this is your are. Singular. None of this, none of his books. None, singular, so each. Always none follows singular verb. The quality singular verb, the quality of apple, the quality of fruit, anything, quality follows singular verb. 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees is also a singular. 100 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh, anything. This is your 10,000 rupees is for singular. Neither nor given, so it will agree with the second subject, that is workers. Worker is plural, so are. Neither nor, either or agrees with the second subject, that is here workers. Workers is plural, so are. 50 kilometers. Here 50 kilometers is your singular. 50 kilometers is singular. Sunil as agrees with the first subject. As well as and with agrees with the first subject. That is Sunil. Here Sunil is given. So this is your H. First subject Sunil is given. This is singular Sunil. So this is your H. Another example of as well as. Here is as well as. My friends. As well as I. My friends. Here first subject is plural. So this is your where. My friends. First subject is plural. So where. As well as follows your verb. It agrees with the first subject. The verb agrees with the first subject. That is my friends is plural. So this is your where. As well as verb agrees with the first subject. Then the size of the sheets. Size is singular. So this is your is. The Midnight Children. This is the book name. This is the book's name. So this is your singular. Midnight Children is a book's name. This is singular. So was written. The jury they divided. Jury is your collective noun. Here divided is given. Divided is given. So this is your plural, where if it is given, the jury they selected their chairman or any chief, anything. Then the jury was. Okay, that is one unit. But this is your divided is given, so this is your plural. The jury were divided, but the jury was selected their chief. Okay, so this is over. So neither, either, each follows with the singular verb. The manager and director. Here the manager and director, two persons. So, sorry, this is one person. So this is H. If it is given the manager and the director, then this will be your two persons. That is he. Many a. Many a follows singular verb. So was. One also, one of the singular verb. Either or follows your second subject. It agrees with the second subject. Friends given, so are. None. None of. None of only is your singular verb. Quality is singular verb. 10,000 rupees. Singular. Neither the manager nor. Neither nor. No, agrees with the second subject, that is workers. Here workers plural, so this is your R. 50 kilometers singular is Sunil as well as. As well as follows first subject. It agrees with the first subject. So Sunil is singular, so this is your H. But here my friends as well as I. Here my friends plural, so where. The size is singular, so each. Midnight Children is book's name, so was. Jury divided given, so where. Okay.